Hello friends, welcome to another video. Here today we're going to make a keychain like this. It's pretty easy and simple and beautiful. Let's start. So you can make it as long as you want. Don't have to count the chains here. So just start doing a chain and do as long as you like for it to be, and like a few extra so that you'll get this part where you put it, but don't have to worry about the pattern. It'll go just nicely to the one. It'll fit to the one, to the length that you'll make it. So just do a chain as long as you want it to be. Like this comes on your chest, and so chain, do a chain as long as you want to do, and I'll meet you there at the end. So here we are. This is my chain. I like it a bit longer, and just do like this size, so because you need to fold it then to put the key ring holder to it, so just a bit longer. And then the next round is just single crochets. So to the first, not the first, but the second from the hook, just single crochet all the way. So hook through yarn, pull through yarn, and pull through 2 loops. So very easy. And again, I'll meet you in the end. So here we are at the end. Just make the last ones there, then chain 1, turn, and the next row is double crochets all the way. So yarn on the hook, through that, pull through the yarn, and pull through 2, and pull through 2, yarn over, hook in, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, hook through, pull through 2, pull through 2, and I'll see you at the end again. So here we are in the end, or at the end, I don't know which is the right way, and just do the last ones here, and through that, and the next row is where we're going to make this pattern. It's this way. So it's pretty easy. You have to count a little or be thorough when checking these, but once it's done, it's almost done. So here I don't make here chain 1 because it's not needed. So just put yarn on the hook 2 times, and then you count here like to the 3rd one. So yarn over twice, and 1 to this one, you pull the yarn through once, and then through two, and then through two, and then through two. Then we have this one here. Then 1, 2, 3, you're going to insert your hook here, so there's like the last one, and then it's the next one. So here we're going to make 3 single crochets, and then again the triple crochet. So yarn over twice and to the same where this ends, or where it's intact, and pull through once, and pull through two, and pull through two, and then you have 2 loops on the hook, and then you're going to make another one. So yarn over twice, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 4th one. Here you gotta be a little precise or thorough, or with your hawk eyes. And then through 2 and through 2, and then through all. And this is the way it goes all the way. And so then just here you leave 1 there, and then again 3 single crochets, and then again the triple. So yarn over twice, again to the same where you ended the last one, or and then through 2, and then again when you have 2 loops on the hook, you do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And then again you leave this one here in between, and do again 3 single crochets on the 3 next ones, and then once more yarn over twice, you insert it through the same, sorry about the sun, and yarn through 2 and through 2, and again you have the 2 loops on the hook, and then you put 2 around, and then you count again 1, 2, 3 to the 4th one. So this is the pattern, and now you just repeat it all the way until you have like this much left, just enough so that you can when the hook or the chain ring or whatever comes there, so that you can just fit it here and then sew it, or whatever tactic you use to make it so. But like until you have like this much or whatever, and it'll just end the pattern where it fits. And I'll see you in the end again. Okay, so here we are at the end, in the end, and I have this much left, which is like 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. So I think I'm gonna do one more here and then finish it. So let's do that. So 3 more single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then just through 2, no, through 2, through two and through two, and then I'm just gonna make this end single crochets like so. I hope this sound ain't too annoying. Yeah, so like so, and then just leave a long enough tail so you can then weave this one. Don't need to be that long, but you can always cut it, of course. No. And then chain one and pull the yarn through. So here it is. This is the other end, and this is the other end, and then we're gonna put the hook or the ring or whatever you're going to use here to the end and sew it together. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like this. It goes quite naturally this way, and so this side down, this side up, and I have a this, it's called karabiinilukko, karabin hook or lock in Finnish. I don't know where the name comes from, but it's there. So just pull this through here. With the threads coming out like so. And then this one is going to go under like so, and you can sew it, or you can use the hook. I've used the hook sometimes. You can use that too, but I have a needle here, so I'm gonna use the needle. So like so. And so. And whatever way you think is best, you do that. So I'm gonna start here, because this already is intact. So there and there and there. Like so. Then from the other side in, the next one. Then you're gonna just check that you get this layer. Just go through somewhere there, and then this one too. Like so. And then again from this side in. Excuse me for that, but this side in, then just from there, and again from here. Like so, and again through here. See that you have the other layer too coming in, and the one that's on the bottom, and again through. And then cuts pretty nicely. So, and in the corner, so next one just from here and from here and through here. Like so. And then once around, like once around, like so. On bottom, the next one, and this one. Like so. Then what I do, I like to tie a knot here. You can always weave it in a bit. I like to do a knot here and another one. Then you can cut the yarn, excess of it, and then just weave it in. It would have been easier with the with the needle, but just from here, the other. Like so. Cut the excess.